Chapter 4. Activities using keyboard and mouse. The keyboard and the mouse are the main parts of a computer which are used to tell the computer what to do. Let us learn more about them. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device which is used for typing letters, numbers and symbols. It has many different keys on it. Let us learn about some keys on a keyboard. Number keys, backspace key, spacebar key, alphabet keys, enter key. Alphabet keys. These keys are used to type letters, words and sentences. They are 26 in number, that is from A to Z. These keys are arranged in special sequence called QWERTY sequence. Number keys. These keys are used to type numbers. These are 10 in number, from 0 to 9. Number keys are either placed above the alphabet keys or at the right side of the keyboard at the numeric keypad. Special keys. Spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space when we type words, letters or numbers. Enter key. This key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. It is also called the return key. A keyboard has two enter keys. Backspace key or delete key. The backspace and delete keys are used to erase the character on the left and right of the cursor respectively. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor up, down, right and left. There are 4 arrow keys. Arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. Caps lock key. It is a toggle key that allows us to type in all capital letters. Pressing the caps lock key one time capitalizes each letter typed on the keyboard. When we press the caps lock key again, the letter keys we type afterward will type as lowercase letters. Shift key. Shift key is used with the other keys for different purposes. A keyboard has 2 shift keys. The shift key is to either type capital letters with the keyboard or to type symbols that appear on the top half of a keyboard. Numlock key. To use the numeric keypad available on the right side of the keyboard, numlock should be turned on. Pressing the numlock key once turns the numbers on the number keypad on. When we tap the numlock key again, numbers no longer work and the keys have other functions. A glowing light above the numlock label indicates that it is on. Tab key. This key is used to move the cursor right by 5 spaces at a time. Page up, page down keys. We use the page up, page down keys to move a page up or down. Function keys. A keyboard has 12 function keys from F1 to F12 to do different tasks. For example, F2 key is used to rename a selected file or folder. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device attached to the computer. It is used to point and select items on the computer screen. It is also used while playing games and making drawings. Types of computer mouse. Earlier, the mouse had 2 or 3 buttons and no scroll wheel, but now only scroll mouse are used. There are different types of scroll mouse. Ball mouse. This mouse has a ball under it. The ball helps in moving the pointer. Optical mouse. This mouse does not have a ball under it. It uses a light that helps in moving the pointer. Nowadays, a laser mouse is also available in the market that has a laser light under it. Wireless mouse. This mouse is not attached to the CPU box through a wire. It works through signals. A wireless mouse can be a ball mouse or an optical mouse. Mouse pointer. A mouse displays an arrow on the screen called as pointer. When a mouse is moved, the pointer moves in the same direction in which we move the mouse. The mouse pointer can change its shape depending on the task the computer is doing. Some of them are shown in the picture. Proper way to hold a mouse. There is a proper way to hold the computer mouse. While holding the mouse with your left hand, keep the middle finger of the left button and the index finger on the right button. While holding the mouse with your right hand, keep the index finger on the left button and the middle finger on the right button. Actions of the mouse. We can perform different tasks using a mouse. Let's learn about them. Pressing and releasing a mouse button is called clicking. There are different mouse clicks. Single click. When we press the mouse button once, it is called single click. To single click, move the pointer to any object. Click left mouse button, the object is selected. Double click. When we press the mouse button 2 times quickly, it is called a double click. To double click, move the pointer to any object. Click left mouse button 2 times quickly. The program opens. Right click. When we press the right mouse button once, it is called right click. It opens a menu of the properties of the selected item. Drag. Drag means to press the left button to move the mouse while keeping it pressed. Drag is used while drawing pictures. Drag and drop. Drag and drop is used to move an item from one place to another. Scrolling helps us to move a page on the screen up or down. To scroll, place the finger on the scroll wheel and move it up or down. Wrap up. There are different types of keys on keyboard such as alphabet keys, numeric keys and some special keys. Some of the special keys are spacebar, enter, caps lock, backspace, delete, arrow, shift, etc. There are different types of mouse such as 2-button mouse, 3-button mouse and scroll mouse. Nowadays, a scroll mouse is used instead of the other two. There are different mouse clicks like single click, double click, right click, drag and drop,